So part 2, just got to pancreatic juice and bile. So pancreatic juice will actually consist of a number of enzymes in there. You've got some amylase, you have some protease, and there is some lipase in there as well. So a good mix there. And bile, as you might remember from GCSE, is made in the liver, but is stored in the gallbladder. What's its job? It emulsifies fats. So it breaks big droplets of fats like this, basically smashes them up into bits, into small bits, and that increases the surface area at which lipase can then act and break those fats down into fatty acids and glycerol. So it's not an enzyme, bile. That's a big thing to remember. It's not an enzyme. So it's not enzyme. It's not an enzyme, but it does contain these sort of salts to aid lipid digestion, and they actually alkali. It's alkali, so it will neutralize the stomach acid, which is useful because these enzymes here, these work at a high/medium pH. Okay, we'll talk a little bit about the villi and stuff in another video, but after then we go to the large intestine. Let's go back up here. So we've got the large intestine, or the colon as it's known, and that's the food can spend about 36 hours here, so it can spend a while here, and water is absorbed, so H2O absorption. Water absorption is in there, so feces is made in there, so and after water is absorbed, feces is made, and then it goes out through the anal sphincter. So this is quite a. This is actually an involuntary action. It's an involuntary muscle, but we can learn to control this action. That's actually through sort of potty training, if you like. So we actually do learn this action. Otherwise, would be having brown trousers a lot of the time. So that is the quick walkthrough. We will move on to looking at the different tissues in the small intestine next.